Jungle, we go to the waterfalls. It's about a half an hour walking. I'm very excited to see the waterfall because we come from a long way. So I'm very happy that we'll be here now, because 2 hours on a tricycle, it's also very hard. It will be worth if we see the waterfalls. Very nice. I see it's a really climb on the mountain. It's very dense forest here. It's worth every minute. This is a real adventure. You look for the unknown and you have to do something for it. It's very nice here. If you don't like hiking, then this is not for you guys. This is true adventure. You don't get everything for free in life, so you have to work for it. It's very warm. But it's nice. Really nice here. See, it's not easy to hike in this warmth, but it's worth it. Even the gimbal has a lot of trouble. It's very nice here. We made it to the Mindoro Falls. It was a long way hiking, but it's worth it. It's beautiful undiscovered waterfall. So if you're here in Mindoro, you must visit the waterfall because it's very nice. It's extremely hot now, so I'm gonna have a swim. I'm in the need for some refreshment.
Feel the same way.
it's so refreshing when it's 35 degrees here in the Philippines and you can have a fresh swim in the waterfall lake. It's amazing here. It's very nice. Very beautiful and quiet here in the tropical rainforest. If you're here in Mindoro, you must visit this waterfall because it's extremely beautiful. Now we must climb back again. But it was worth every minute to come to this place. It's very nice. Must be very careful here, otherwise you break your leg. What? It's okay, no problem. I'm a white man, huh? That's a problem. Ah. You guys see, if you're not careful, you will fall. Just like me. It was my own fault because I'm too busy with other stuff and not concentrating on the walking. My feet is a little bit scratched. My arm is a little bit hurt, but hey, if you want to see the true beauty, you must do something for it, you know. After a nice swim, we go back again. It was a long day trip to the waterfalls, but it's extremely beautiful. Oh. It's very hot, still sweating. Also after a nice cold to refreshing swimming party at waterfall. Must be careful, otherwise I'm going to fall again, and that's not the intention of the trip, that I get hurt, you know. Just to discover some nice places to enjoy and not to break my legs, otherwise I have a big problem. But that is, if you are a travel vlogger, you get hurt sometimes. That's what you must accept if you're looking for adventure. We've made it out of the forest, live and well. We're gonna walk to the tricycle again, have a good cup of coffee, and then I have a satisfying day. This is true adventure, you know. It was an epic day also. Yesterday I had a very epic day, and this day is also very epic. Very beautiful. You can see a protective carabao. They're only situated in Mindoro and they are protected. It's a kind of water buffalo, I guess. It's a very beautiful animal. Very beautiful. You see here maybe one of the last caribous. Very amazing. Taste the banana from the Philippines.
Saba.
Saba?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to taste the saba. It's a different kind of banana than we have from in Europe. It'll be very nice. Coffee after hiking and a bottle of Coke because I'm extremely thirsty. First the coffee. This is why I'm coming through to the Philippines. It's amazing. It's beautiful. You see the view behind me. It's truly beautiful here in Occidental Mindoro, Sablayan. It's very beautiful. This is why I come to the Philippines, because I love this country and I love the people. They are such nice people. It's amazing here.